Hey guys, we got about 2 weeks left before the 4th of July. So now's the time to get that yard 4th of July ready. We're going to talk about the steps that we need to be taking to get it 4th of July ready. Make sure to stay until the end. I'm going to give you a tip to make your yard look greener for the 4th of July. The first tip is now's a great time to get your fertilizer out. That way it has time to go ahead and start working, get the grass greener, help it thicken in before 4th of July so it'll look amazing. The next tip is make sure that you've got sharp blades. If you've been dealing with the rain like I've been dealing with the last week, it's a great time to change your oil, sharpen your blades, do any maintenance that you may need to do to your mowers. Keep a sharp eye out for fungus in the lawn. I've got mushrooms popping up like mad right now. I haven't seen anything like dollar spot or any other fungus. As always, this time of year, weeds play a significant factor. Be on the lookout for doveweed, chamber bitter, nutgrass. A lot of wet conditions here this last week with the rain. We've gotten about 1 inch to 2 inches a day. It's been pretty crazy here recently. I probably won't have to water my grass for over a week, but typically the yard needs 1 inch to 1.5 inches per week. Your yard may need some water, but where I am, we've had a ton of rain. I'll throw the drought monitor up here in just a moment, show you what that looks like for the southeast and Alabama. I doubt that I'm going to need to water my yard for at least the next week. As always, you want to be making sure to mow on a regular basis, at least 2 times a week, even if it's a rotary mower. If you're real mowing, even more, sometimes as much as every other day, but that makes a huge difference in the quality of your lawn. Here's the tip to make your yard look greener for the 4th of July. If you haven't already this season, go out and pressure wash your sidewalks and driveways. That way they'll be a lighter, brighter, wider color, and that will make your grass appear to be greener and darker and make your yard look more amazing with an offset in contrast. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow along for more. I hope you have a great 4th of July. Thanks. Bye.